Today's program is a very auspicious one. I know you all have just another 3 days for your NEET examination, a big day. And before the big day, you all have learned your botany, zoology, physics, chemistry from various members of Sri Chaitanya Gosala. And what if all the members come together today and wish you all and give you the best and important tips that are required for your NEET 2025, so that you coming from Gosala and taking a pass to enter into a medical college will become easy tomorrow without any panic or stress at this point of time. This is one reason, as well as the second and most important reason is you all should know the gurus whom you are learning from. You all should know what exactly, the gravity of the gurus whom you are learning from. What exactly Sri Chaitanya Gosala is made with. The pillars, the pillars of Gosala Sri Chaitanya, who are they? What kind of passion they carried till today, and what kind of passion they follow in the coming days to shape you into an amazing doctors. And without any delay, today I would like to introduce Ramesh Garu, one of the most important persons and dean of our Sri Chaitanya Gosala. And also I would like to introduce Shashidhar Garu, one of the amazing persons and a dean of Sri Chaitanya Gosala. And today they will be with us, and myself, Dr. Gandhi. I am looking after the long-term session of Sri Chaitanya Gosala. And here we will take the opportunity to introduce the Dronacharyas of Sri Chaitanya Gosala today. And I am very sure you all are very excited. I am very sure that some of the teachers are your favorites. And I know when the teacher comes here or when we introduce, we can definitely see that amazing smile on your faces, that what important role this teacher or teachers or a bunch of members have made in your life. And I'm very sure this positivity will enhance your a temperament towards examination at this point of time. And without any delay, sir, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Let's call upon the botany team of Sri Chaitanya Gosala. The botany team. Let me also please call upon Suresh Garu, the executive dean of Sri Chaitanya Gosala. If we see Shashidhar Garu, almost 20 years of experience in shaping the children. Suresh Garu, more than 25 years of shaping the futures of the kids into doctors. As well as if we look at Ramesh Garu, he has been called the coach of Gosala. He's more happy to be called as a coach, and whenever we see kids, the enthusiasm and happiness we find on their faces looking at him, it also gives a lot of energy for us. And with 25 ample years of experience of shaping the children into doctors, what else do we really need when we have such bunch of amazing personalities sitting with you and taking care of you? Let's call upon the botany team first. Let me introduce KVR sir, 20 plus years of experience across various organizations of India, and produced single digit ranks multiple times. And here KVR sir is with us. And let me introduce Rohini ma'am. Students call her botany queen.
Hello everyone, all the best for your exam. Take care.
So ma'am again have more than 18 to 20 years of experience in the field of teaching botany to the kids. And I know how many short tricks and mnemonics she have made to make botany easy for the kids. And I'm very sure that you all looking at these people are very happy. And now I call upon Kishore Kunal sir, a PhD and masters from IIT Bombay, and been a mentor in shaping many of the young minds to become doctors and sent many of the students to aims, and have been a mentor for many students in shaping top 10 and top 100 rankers. So here Kishore sir from IIT Bombay, and have done his masters and PhD from IIT Bombay. And then I would like to call
Sir.
Vishweshwar Rao sir, please sir. I trust me, I tell you, whenever I look at sir, I always get a very happy vibe. Whenever I keep moving out, I look at him. He's a bunch of talent, bunch of calmness, pleasantness, and bunch of experience, and been a top-notch mentor, shaping many kids to become doctors, and have been a part of Gosala since a long time. And sometimes in a stressful day when I come out, look at him, and just he gives a smile, and I know how much enthusiasm and happiness I get. And when I am getting as an administrator such pleasantness, I can imagine what students feel with him. So next sir, I would like to call Ramesh Garu to please introduce the rest of the botany members.
Sir, I am going to invite sir, JD sir, Jagdish sir. He has almost 25 years experience. He is known for making even the toughest diagrams in botany, how to deal and everything he knows, and also he is doctorate. Sir, please.
Thank you.
VRR sir.
He has experience of almost 25 years.
Hanumaya sir. Rajendra sir is also having 20 years of experience. And inka botany evaru unnaru.
Okay.
So yeah, so Rajendra sir is not well today. We have one more an amazing teacher who could not be present today here. And anyways, see, these are our botany mentors, and I know how important it is to see them. They're just as calm as the plants on a very calm day. They are the producers, just like in our ecosystem we have producers. These are the primary producers, we can say, as well as they provide the oxygen, because most of the students, they start their subject with botany in the examination. So they create that initial momentum or oxygen for the examination, and starting from your morphology to your biotechnology, I know how much effort they put to train you. And I would like to ask each one of them to give you a very important tip for your takeaway to NEET examination. Let's start with Rohini ma'am, and please pass on later. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, sir. So, first of all, good morning to everyone, those who are listening that. Being from the botany faculty, let me to focus on some points which you should take care in these 3 days and during the exam. In short, let me to take that. In these 3 days, just read that highlighted part in your biology, read the labelings, and don't miss the formula revisions, right? And during the exam, right, don't be panic, read the instructions carefully, and read every point, every options carefully. Then mark it, then on OMR, must be marked carefully for this, right? So we are with you, whatever you will produce, all the best. Take care.
Hi, hello, I'm KVR sir, having 23 years experience, and being with Chaitanya. All the best for all the students. Have a good day, and that 3 days time is very important, 3 hours time is very important. Make the time properly useful. Okay, thank you very much, and all the best. Thank you very much.
So hello everyone, myself Dr. Kishore Kunal, as sir introduced me already. So I am a part of Botany team Gosala. So just few days left for the exam. I know many of you might be feeling a little anxious. Don't feel, because you have already worked hard the entire year. So this is the time to just tell yourself every day that I have worked hard. Now it's the time to get my result. Just one tip which I will like to tell, that no need to read NCERT line by line now. Just one day go with all the example. one day go with all the diagrams, then one day go with all the highlighted terms in NCERT. If you just do that, keep these 2-3 days very light, don't worry too much, everything is going to be alright, and then we will be there always.
Good morning, students. In examination hall, very essential tip is control your emotions. We can win only when your mind is stronger than that of emotions. So be control emotions and be calm, cool and collect. All the best.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jagadish Narendra Prasad, Gosala Botany faculty. I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors apart from the current NEET examination. The only thing that I would like to tell you is, while reading the question, most of the students, what I observed in the last few days is they are not able to mark it out whether the question is asked for incorrect or correct statement. So so that you can demarcate what answer you have to go and which answer you have to mark. So take few precautions, and whatever the things that you feel that it is dry and easily forgettable, just go through them, like taxonomy or even scientist names. Some people feel like difficult to remember the scientist names or years or something like, and go through diagrams also once again, because diagram questions are also appearing. Even the last year 2 questions have appeared, and this year also will also appear. So diagram questions also once again go through. So I wish you all the best once again. Thank you very much.
So myself, Ravindra, I have 25 years teaching experience. So students, first read the question properly, read the options properly and put the answer. So all the best, students.
Hi, myself is Hanmaya Korapati. I am Sri Chaitanya Gosala branch faculty, Botany faculty. The 3 hours examination duration is very crucial for success of student. The 3 hours, be peaceful and read carefully and underline the keywords. Underline the keywords. And after that, after understanding the question, after that you can read all options. After that you can attempt correct answer. If you don't know, leave it. Don't attempt unknown questions. Thank you. Best of luck.
So thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And now let's go forward to our zoology team. And a big thanks to botany team and a big round of applause from all of us. Thanks for the great tips and thank you for the energy that you built in the minds of the kids at this point of time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
And remember, teaching is such a profession where you impart discipline, you impart the learning abilities into the minds of kids. You just have seen some of our members calm, composed, disciplined. There is a lot of honesty you can see on their faces. You know, no unwanted stuff. Generally these days what happens is, some of the teachers, they behave in such a way that they are at some a theater or a Bollywood star. They behave in such a way that students start learning such mischievous things from them, and this is not what teaching is. I know how your parents were taught by their teachers, how we were taught by our teachers, and how your teachers are teaching today. And this is what we always expect all the student community to also look at when you look at a teacher. He is someone who is a discipline. He is someone who is committed for your success. So I always want every single child to respect each and every teacher when they get into the classroom, because they come with some passion to see you as a doctor every single lecture they deliver inside the classroom. Anyways, let us call upon our zoology team. I'd like to call upon, Jyoti ma'am. Yeah, some of the because our incoming senior classes were also going on. So some of the members are not here. They are busy in taking classes. So please understand that if your favorite teacher is missing in this list, do not assume anything, because they are occupied already in the duty of shaping some of the doctors of Gosala, because the senior classes are going right now. The incoming senior classes are running, and so these are all occupied there. So anyways, now I'd like to call upon Jyoti ma'am. Ma'am teaches zoology here in Gosala, have an experience of more than 20 years in shaping some of the amazing minds, of medical aspirants to doctors. I know a couple of days back when some of the students came and they were telling me, sir, she made the subject just like this. For us, thank you so much. When we read such kind of testaments from the student, it all makes us feel honored that we are spending our time with such kind of people. So Jyoti ma'am, thank you so much being a part of Sri Chaitanya Gosala. I would like to call upon Uma ma'am, 32 years of experience, that too in Sri Chaitanya. Just imagine, an antique piece, you can say, very antique, and very emotional for kids, very professional, very hardworking, very punctual, and have produced n number of amazing single digit rankers since the time of MSET till the day of NEET. Exams changed, but her passion, her commitment, and her compassion towards students have never changed. She was the same Uma ma'am since the day she was holding the chalk piece to the day of the digital max. She is just the same, with the same passion of converting the kids to doctors. Ma'am, I know how much, because everybody, in fact teachers call her mother here. Some of the teachers, they call her mother and they see mother in her. So the same vibe even we all get whenever we see you, ma'am. And I hope students have really enjoyed and have you transfer the same emotion and lot of affection towards those kids as well. They are lucky enough to learn from you. And next I would like to call upon Anisha Sarkar ma'am. Ma'am have almost 15 years of experience. Ma'am also worked in a number of top-notch institutes of India, and she is right now here. She joined this year in Sri Chaitanya Gosala, and she have been a mentor of some of the top rankers under 10, under 50 and under 100. And I am very sure because I know these days the bridge course kids are, the kids started learning from her and they were clearly enjoying it. I'm very sure, ma'am, your experience will help the kids of Sri Chaitanya. Now I would like to call Karimullah sir. Fantastic human being, calm, composed. And whenever I hear from kids, they always tell me that, sir, zoology is not a subject that we by heart. When Karimullah sir teaches us, we don't need to by heart things, sir, because he makes subject in such a way that it is just this. He made first, one of the persons who made zoology to be felt, because we always feel that physics is something which our teachers make us feel, but this person makes students to feel zoology. When you teach animal kingdom, students feel that they are with the poriferans, they are with the annelidans, and I know how amazing it is to make you feel some of the driest subjects which you have to focus on to score that 180. And he have been a mentor of top-notch students to send AIMS, Zipmer, and giving he have given single-digit ranks multiple times, having 20 plus years of experience. So thank you so much for being a part of Sri Chaitanya Gosala. And I would like to transfer the mic to Ramesh Garu and Shashidhar Garu to introduce rest of the members. Please, sir.
Dr. Verma Garu, 34 years of experience and senior most zoology faculty, and produces single digit ranks in number of times. Next, Shivaji Garu, 22 years of experience.
So, I'm going to invite Ashutosh sir. Okay, please welcome sir. He knows how to deal the toughest diagrams and memory tips in crystal clear manner. So please.
So we have the youngest of the members, who the amazing Verma sir of 34 years experience and Uma ma'am of 32 experience. What do we need? We have energy, we have experience. We have the updated versions of, just past Gen Z to the, top-notch millennial. So we have almost everybody who understands you, who understands your passion. అంటే మీ పేరెంట్స్ మీ గురించి ఏమైతే ఇక్కడ ఆలోచించి మిమ్మల్ని ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నారో, ఇక్కడ తీసుకొచ్చి గోశాలలో జాయిన్ చేశారో, ఆ ప్రతి ఒక్క స్టూడెంట్ గురించి మీ పేరెంట్స్ ఎలా అయితే ఆలోచిస్తారో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అలానే ఆలోచించే టీమ్ మెంబర్స్, దీస్ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్, దే ఆర్ నో లెస్ దాన్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్. ట్రస్ట్ మీ, వీళ్ళందరూ దే ఆల్ ఫైట్ విత్ అస్ ఫర్ యూ పీపుల్, బిహైండ్ యూ. రిమెంబర్, ఇఫ్ సంబడీ ఈజ్ ఫైటింగ్ బిహైండ్ యూ for your success, for your happiness, for your growth, and they are not your parents, then you have to think that they are the teachers of Gosala. Because thank you so much that you always fight for the kids and you keep fighting for the kids and their success, and we'd like to hear from them one important tip, something that you want your child to take towards the examination for 2025 NEET.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh Sahu. So I am from this zoology department team. Now one suggestion I would like to give you all is, basically whenever you are reading the question paper, please read it as your patient report. Why? Because you have to read it so much carefully so that you should not make any kind of mistakes in that. Because if you make any mistake in your patient report, your patient will die. So basically what you do, you read everything this with too much attention, and if please mark up the question if it is not incorrect, not correct, or incorrect or correct, so that what will happen, you will be easily getting those things and you will be losing no marks in that. So thank you so much, all the best from this Gosala team.
थैंक यू सर. मरने के बाद क्या है यार, पोस्टमार्टम होता है, तो मरने से पहले ही किसी चीज को बचाना है, राइट? तो क्वेश्चन को मरने से पहले बचाओ. थैंक यू सो मच सर, गुड टेक अवे.
Hi everyone, I am Jyoti. Today I would like to give a small tip here. Don't get stuck at a difficult level or unknown question here. Suppose you are feeling that it is something new to you, just move on, just mark it and move on to the next question, because time management is very important for you here. Later on you come back and then try to solve that question, at least by means of elimination method. Still you are unable means here, there is no problem, skip the question here. Already you have acquired lot of knowledge by us here. This is the right time to showcase your potential to the world. All the best.
Thank you ma'am. Harimullah sir.
Hi students. In the last these 2 days, you just to focus on mechanisms. For example, mechanism of breathing, mechanism of blood circulation, mechanism of muscle contraction. At those areas, you just go through those sequence type of questions. Plus along with that, wherever graphs are given, there some equations also there, just to focus on those equations. Thank you, all the best.
Sharma sir.
Hi students, what I suggest you at this moment is better to go through all the memory type of questions, memory included parts, and better to go through all the diagrams, and especially in the examination hall, be cool, maintain your internal homeostasis, and read all the questions completely and take a right decision. And I would like to say good luck to everybody. Thank you.
Hello everyone. These last 2 days you better focus on the memory based topics like animal kingdom, because there are so many examples and characteristic features which you tend to forget. So you better go through those animal kingdom, structural organization chapters in the last 2 days, right? And almost all the colleagues, like botany colleagues and the staff members, they mentioned the instructions, so I don't want to repeat all those. One more important thing is, don't select the option without checking the 4 options given there. Even the first option appears to be correct, 100% correct, you better check the remaining 3 also before marking the answer. That is more important. And I suggest that you answer the paper in 2 rounds. First round, answer all the questions which are easy and simple. Then the second round, try to answer the difficult questions. And one more thing, if you find any question difficult out of syllabus, don't get panicked, because this question paper is not set exclusively for you only. The same paper is being written by thousands and thousands of students all over the country. So don't panic, leave the question, try to solve. If not possible, leave that question and move on to the next one. Okay? All the best to all the students. Right.
Hello everyone. I know this is the time when you all are panicking, you all are getting stressed out. So yes, getting stressed is very normal. But the only thing that I would like to tell you all that do not panic, do not stress, because it will only create problems for you. And most important part on the examination day will be filling your OMR and getting signed everywhere properly. Even for filling the OMR for the answers also very important. Some students make mistakes while filling the answers in the OMR sheet. That is a very deadly mistake. Even if you know the answer, it is going to be incorrect. So be careful for filling the OMR sheet. Be careful with the examination things, as well as do not panic, stay focused. All the best everyone. You have done enough for the exam, so you are going to do well. All the best.
Good morning, my dear students. My name is Shivaji. So the one thing is important that many of the students say that that one is a complaint like this means some problem with the assertion reason related. Sir, we are that easily find out and separate the 3 and 4, but 1 and 2 related something that some difficult related. So that one is that one of the best suggestion is that 2 times you read and elimination method you can easily find out that one. For example, that word splitting related. If the terminology, some terminology is the splitting and divided into 2-3 parts related, then can easily identify the meaning. Then easily identify the answer. Within the question only that answer is arises. When we are find out that other related, within the words related, that answer is the appear. First, divide that word and clearly identify, and definitely was a correct answer that entered in that. Okay, thank you. Allah best.
Yeah, sir. So now I am going to invite Madhu Yadav madam with over almost 12 years teaching experience. Please welcome.
Ma'am was in class till now and just arrived. So I would like to listen few tips for your NEET 2025 from Madhu ma'am. Please ma'am.
Alright, so hello dear students. I know that you have done very well already, and now you have to just give your best. So don't get panic, and all the very best for your NEET exam. Thank you.
So thank you to all the zoologists. You are here to motivate our kids who are going to appear for examination, and I am very sure these right tips will reduce your adrenaline rush at this point of time to make you become a better person during your examination. That 3 hours, which is a war zone for you, and that will definitely these all things that you are taking for the examination will support you. Let's call upon now the physics team. So ma'am, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for being here, and keep motivating the kids. Keep taking them, more and more advices, suggestions, and good things that you practiced, you learned in your life to impart in their lives too. So now I would like to call upon Paul Mitra sir, one of the amazing teachers, favorite of all the students, and sir have an experience of more than 20 years and have been a member of many top-notch organizations across India, and have been an important part of Sri Chaitanya Gosala since past many years, and have shaped n number of students cross 700 plus, and many students find physics very easy, because I know physics is a devil for some of the students or many of the students, and for Gosala kids physics is never a devil, because our team of physics always made them understand that physics is not something which you really have to be panicked, but physics is something which you can feel. And now I am slowly calling each and every member who made physics easy, who made these, all India rank ones or, single digit rankers who get produced from Sri Chaitanya Gosala every year. Now I would like to call TRD sir. Lucky that students are not here. If students are there, if I call TRD sir's name, I know what kind of noise we hear here in this auditorium today. But we are lucky enough that students are not here today. Again, the favorite of most of the kids of Gosala, and sir is a part of Gosala team since almost 20 plus years and have been an amazing teacher, have been teaching, training the kids since many years, shaping them to aims. मैं जब भी सर से बात करता हूँ सर एक बात बोलते हैं मुझे, सर बच्चा कभी अच्छा मेडिकल कॉलेज जाता है सर, उससे भी ज्यादा मजा मुझे जब जिपमर या एम्स में जाते तो मिलता है. तो he keep telling me this and I'm very sure that he might have inspired you a lot in your classrooms as well. So I'd like to call upon Deepak Sahu sir. Sahu sir is a blend of amazing talents, a great singer, great musician, great physics teacher, because he hailed from West Bengal. So obviously he will have all the cultural qualities that a West Bengalian have. So I'm very sure that he have enough entertained and edutained you all with physics and all the learnings of cultures he have with him, and he has been a part of Sri Chaitanya since many years and an amazing faculty with 20 plus years of experience. And I know whenever we have the workshops of physics, the enthusiasm I have seen from him and the enthusiasm he shows in learning as well as imparting the learned things to student in shaping them to become doctors is an amazing thing, sir. Thank you so much. And now I'd like to call upon VSR sir, Vijay Sharma sir. Sir has been, a mentor of 2 times All India rank 1. He has been a mentor of 2-time All India rank 1 and multiple All India rank 10s, 26 years of experience in physics teaching in multiple amazing and top-notch coaching institutes, and now in the India's topmost coaching institute, Sri Chaitanya. He is, the physics stalwart for us, and I'm very sure that his amazing, experience and his tactics of physics and his applications of physics and learnings of physics will help our kids to become, amazing physicians tomorrow. And next I would like to call upon Neeraj Agnihotri sir. Neeraj sir have an experience of almost 16 years and he also been a mentor of many amazing kids, and last 1 year sir have produced almost 700, he mentored 700 students from a single classroom, and out of them 180 out of 180 physics are of 6 students, which is an amazing achievement. And I'm very sure sir your experience and your physics will help the kids in shaping them to become a doctor. And next I would like to ask Ramesh sir, please introduce rest of the members.
Okay, thank you sir. Now I am going to invite Rakesh Singh ji with almost over 10 years of teaching experience. He knows how to deal the NCERT line by line and he knows how to deal the toughest problems in simplified manner. Please welcome sir.
ఇంకెవరు లేదా గర్ల్స్
Miss sir, you physics.
పద్మశేఖర్ సార్ 26 years of experience he is having, and Pawan sir, he is also having 24 years of experience, and Mishra sir 16 years, and Ali sir, he is also having 15 years of experience.
Yeah. So we have Abhilash Jha sir. Abhilash Jha sir. And again, I would like to tell you, Naidu sir was missing during zoology session. I know how important and big pillar Naidu sir has been in producing many one. Sir is in the war zone in the classroom, so hence he could not be here. I'm sure most of you seeing this will definitely miss him. We miss him too at this moment. We wanted really badly him to be on the dais, but we are missing him. And Abhilash Jasar, he is also having 12 to 13 years of experience in the field of teaching physics. Earlier he started his career as a JEE teacher and produced All India rank 5 in JEE Advanced, and then he made a U-turn and shifted himself to a NEET faculty and working since almost 5 years in Sri Chaitanya Gosala, and I have been an amazing member in shaping many doctors, many students reaching aims and Zipmer since the last 5 years. And I am very sure, sir, your subject and enthusiasm will surely help students to reach this year also to top-notch medical colleges, and he is also an amazing singer too. And I would like to call upon Hari Mohan sir, Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka, amazing physics teacher, and whenever you talk to him, lot of enthusiasm, lot of happiness, and too many things he wanted to share many a times. So it's an amazing experience working with him, having almost 15 years of working experience, worked in top-notch organizations across India. He worked in you name all the top-notch organizations, and he's been a part of all the top-notch organizations and has been a mentor of All India rank 4, rank 7, rank 11 and rank 21. Just imagine these numbers. So this bunch of physics teachers, you can see the big bunch of physics teacher, a big salute to all of them.
Adian sir. So I am going to,
sir, please.
So I am going to invite Adian sir. He has almost 20 years experience. He knows how to deal the, please welcome sir.
Sir, please.
He knows how to deal the problems in simplified manner in physics, and how to deal the mechanics part and the electricity part and in simplified manner, please.
So here we have a bunch of, again, same from the electrifying energy, electrifying electrodynamics you all teach. So I can introduce you all as well as people who shaped your physics and who made physics easy for you. See, physics is such a subject where you have so many problems. So you learn problem solving skills in physics, which is very much important in your life, because in life the best thing that you take from anybody is, because there are so many problems you come across. Now aap sab bacche ho, now you are kids, whatever you see is not life is there ahead. When you get into the real life, then you understand what exactly problems are and how to solve them, and that problem solving skills will be taught by these people at this platform and made you an amazing people. And I would like to ask each and every member to give you one important takeaway for the NEET 2025. Sir, please.
Good morning everyone, and I hope your preparation is already going nice, and I would just like to add on one more thing which we anyways keep teaching and telling you. The thing is that in physics concepts are ultimately finite only, and the problem models can be numerous. Alright, so in the last 2-3 days of this preparation, this journey before your NEET exam, I would like to suggest you that take a last minute review of NCERT points to ponder summary as well as all the NCERT formula. You might have learned a lot of short tricks, and we have been telling you the pattern based techniques of solving various problem models from different topics. The same formula, the same pattern can be applied can be used to solve different questions from various topics. But ultimately the key rule is that in NEET exam you are not going to be asked any problem which is based on a formula which is not in NCERT. So let us stick to the NCERT formula. Let us try to review all the shortcut techniques and control your temperament throughout the 3 hours duration of the exam. Wish you all the best. We are going to have a big day this Sunday.
Thank you, sir. Next, sir, please, in sequence.
Hello, good morning all of you. And one thing many people already told you how to go for exam. I will tell you only few things. One thing, whenever questions come, there's a one word is a never, must, always. These 3 words, keywords are there. Whenever questions come there, just read that question carefully, because must means it always has to be there, or never means never. it is not possible. So we have to read those questions carefully, because if any single exception is there, then you have to, the question answer would be totally different. So go for that one thing. And whenever you go to the examination hall, before that my suggestion is that have little moderate food, not too light, not too heavy, because that will require for approximately 4 hours you will be inside the examination hall. 1 hour before you will go, and approximately half an hour later then you will be out of the examination hall. To keep food properly, not too spicy and all that, because that is required in the examination. So energy should be there, not and keep your sleep before one day at least properly, so that you will be comfortable in the examination hall. Otherwise it will be little problematic. Okay, everything you have already read, and just trust on yourself, believe on yourself, all the formulas, all the concepts, the same basics, and give your best. Sunday. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Tulsiram Darwal, and actually many students fear about the exam, but I want to say one thing, that only in 1.5 months, in last 1.5 months here, almost 5,000 plus questions all the students solved, and we discussed those questions. So I don't think that our student will feel any fear of the exam. But if you feel any fear, so I want to say one line, that when you are reading the question, at that time, if you understood that these quantities are given and how I have to solve the question, then only solve the question. But sometime what happened, you understood the question and it appeared like that it is two-step question, means it will take time. Then don't solve that question in first attempt, solve such questions in second attempt. After reading the question, if you are not able to think that what is given and completely you are confused, then leave that question. Like that you have to segregate the paper. And one more suggestion, it is very important. Most of the students, what they do, they finally fill the OMR sheet. It is not the right way. After completion of 45 question or 90 question, definitely you should fill the OMR. As you complete the chemistry or bio, you have to fill the OMR. When you are doing physics, after then you have to fill the OMR. Like that you have to fill, so that when you are filling the OMR, at that time your mind will be relaxed. If your mind will be relaxed, so it will be good for you and you will feel refreshed. So these are my suggestions. You have to utilize all these things. And finally I want to say one line, that go like a warrior and win the battlefield. Thank you, best of luck. Sir.
Hello everyone. So as my friends has already told you so many tips and how you have to approach for the examination, I want to share only one thing, that what I have observed, that the students, they do what, by reading the 2 lines of the question, they start solving the question. Okay, and the moment you are finished with your solving, then final answer is not available, because they have not asked what you have solved. Okay, so reading the question properly is very, very important, and underline that part, what they are asking you to calculate. Okay, and what they are asking in the question. Okay, because that is very, very important. Okay, and after that, do not attach to any question, because if any question is taking too much time, you have to leave that question immediately, because if you are not going to leave it, it may cost you so many other questions which can be solved in a less time. Okay, so this is from my side. Okay, best of luck, go and perform very well.
Good morning everyone. So now your exam is coming, only 3 days are remaining. So don't try to learn any new concept, just go through the formula revision, and keep in mind that you don't have to do something special, just do your level best. What you can do, just to do that best. Okay, and all the best for examination. Thank you.
Yes, Jai Hind soldiers, and first of all I am very thank you to all management teams, especially Gandhi sir and all, you can say Ramesh sir. And second point, when lot of wishes with you, that is you can say all teachers are wishing you, means there are lot of energy behind that. That means you already having E equal to MC square. I no need to say anything. Second one, I have seen, and number of organizations I have been worked, but I have seen the Sri Chaitanya organization is only working for the students, always thinking about the students, no other talking, even though teacher, management, everyone. That means all the best wishes with you. Only one message I want to give you. I am always calling students as soldiers, because you are going for war, or war means I want to listen from you guys after the exam that said that person I able to do which I know. Means to say, you should not say so that I was not able to do but I could do. That is the statement that I want to listen from you guys. And second thing, whenever going in war, never fight with a strong enemy. Keep away from them. See, sometimes you can say control our ego. Yes, he is strong. Let us sometimes give him time to think. When you are defeating these weak persons, weak enemy, definitely stronger will be defeated. That is the process of the life. That means what to do? 35 enemy in physics are very, very weak. Simple, the simplest. Again, I am telling you, last 5 years anti-pattern is very simple. No need to fear in physics. Just do your best. I wishing from Chaitanya organization all the best you guys. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. And already you got all the suggestions from the respected faculties. I just would like to add one thing, that it is the day of delivering. Already you have learned from last 2 years, you are just putting your hard work and all the suggestions and all the advices. So definitely you are going to deliver. Just you have to maintain your temperament. Just be calm and just deliver on that day. Don't make it do and die, otherwise you'll lose your temperament. And I'm sure that you will shine like a star in that exam and make us proud. So all the very best to you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Paul Mitra. So I would also like to give a word of advice or two. So basically 2 or 3 days are left. So what you should not do, all my friends have already told you what to do, what not to do. Just I'd like to add just 2 things. One is that please don't interact much or try to refrain yourself as much as possible with your friends. Okay, so these friends are not your friends right now, they are your competitors. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them that physics is very tough, you won't be able to attempt that, or they will give you plenty of suggestions, right? Believe me, they are also going to write the NEET exam along with you. They have not qualified it, right? So don't listen to them, just listen to your heart. Don't speak much. Let your pen and pencil, whatever you carry with you to the exam hall, they speak on your behalf. Okay, don't listen to anyone. And second thing which I would like to add is physics, as sir just told, that physics is not that tough. Physics is very easy. But do you know why students are not able to score? Because they don't try, they don't attempt. So please don't stay or play at the back foot. Please try to solve as much questions as possible. The more number of questions you solve, the higher your chance of getting a good rank, right? So I always go by the saying that it is always better to try now than to cry later. So please go by that. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Good morning, students. All the best for the NEET exam. I just want to give you one advice that is very simple. Stay cool and calm on Saturday and rock on Sunday. Let's crack it. All the best.
Sir, please. So, good morning all of you, and my suggestion is start with the questions whatever you are perfect with them. Okay, don't go with the complicated questions. Okay, all the best.
Good morning, students. First read the question paper, try to answering easy questions and simple questions, and also some questions before putting the option. First read the units of option. Same number and different units are there. So read the option also, put the answer, and then try checking. So all the best. Step.
So good morning, students. Myself N. Padmashekhar. I'm the faculty in Boys Campus, Physics faculty. So I would like to tell one thing. please read all the questions in physics. At least you give 1 hour for the physics time. At least you have to read all the questions. If you read all the questions, you can able to do more number of questions. Definitely, some of the students are not able to read all the questions. So before coming out all the questions, please read all the questions, and you can answer the n number of questions. Definitely. All the best. Thank you.
Hello student, only few days left, I think so 3 days. So in 3 days your mental health is very important and your health is also important. In these 3 days eat healthy and complete your sleep, because these two things is very important for your exam day. Okay. And when you attempt your paper, try to complete your paper in multiple round, means select your question, which question you are which question you are comfortable, do first, after then critical question, and after then lengthy question. It is very good very time saving strategy. Try to do this. I hope you will do very well on Sunday. Best of luck.
So you heard right. Takeaways: 1, no emotional attachment with one question. Give ample amount of time, 1 hour, and first complete your easy questions and then go for the tougher questions, which probably you might not understand. Check the units very properly, which is very important. Take care of your mental health and physical health, very, very important. And most importantly, underline the questions when you read so that you don't miss the information. So I am taking all these from my end, for after learning from these teachers, and thank you so much, soldiers. So anyways, we started with producers, right? Sir, thank you so much to the whole physics team. Now we'll introduce the chemistry team. We started with the producers, right? And now we are ending the session with people who convert the reactants into products. Aspirants to achievers. You all come here as an aspirant and you go from here as achievers, right? So the people who make all the reactions very easy for you, and who teaches you about the reactions of life, who teaches you about what are the catalysts and become a catalyst in your journey, and we are going to talk about them and we are going to introduce them now.
Now we are going to invite our senior most lecturer, legendary person in chemistry, VRK sir.
VRK sir, please.
Please sir. He knows how to deal the 3 parts in chemistry: physical and organic and inorganic. So in market we have so many books, but in what way knowledge is transferring to the students, that is most important. So in the presence of VRK sir, no need for any other books, his notes is enough.
VRK sir is not just a name, he is a brand. This is what students always say, and he is a brand with a legacy of more than 28 to 30 years of experience, a blend of experience.
Yes, sir.
I know how many amazing doctors are there. You count any doctor randomly out of 5, at least 2 doctors might have learned chemistry from sir. I'm sure.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So this is what is the legacy he built in the field of need, and we are very fortunate, and the students are very fortunate that they are learning from chemistry from sir.
And also who are studying in Delhi AIMS first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year also. All students are almost who are Telugu people studied in Delhi AIMS. So almost they are only SAR students, sir.
Wonderful. And very sure, AIMS Delhi, remember this year we are coming to you. Sri Chaitanya Gosala AIMS Delhi students, we are coming. We will have a session there in AIMS Delhi to boost the coming year students. And then we would like to call upon
Mangareddy sir.
Mangareddy sir.
So sir also, he has drastic experience, almost more than 25 years experience, and also he worked in several institutions, prestigious institutions. So he knows how to deal the same like as 3 parts in chemistry: physical and organic and inorganic, in simplified manner. In presence of sir, students will feel very happy. Okay, sir.
Which is more important, because there is a saying, For me, always there is a saying, happy wife is a happy life. In the same way, in a classroom, happy teacher always give you happy learning. So when Mangareddy sir comes to the class with that happiness, I am very sure that the learning of the students become much happier, because that positive catalyst of his happiness will be transferred. And then, sir, next sir.
Next, I would like to invite Ravikiran sir. So he has also almost more than 25 years experience. He did MTech from IIT Bombay.
Fantastic. IIT Bombay. So we have two IIT Bombayans now. Sir, amazing sir. I am very sure that you might have produced so many doctors in your career, and you keep producing the same amount of you transfer the same knowledge, and we are very sure that coming year as well as this year students definitely might have got lot of inputs from you and got educated by you in chemistry with respect to specially, and will definitely deliver this year, and coming years also you will be associated with us, as well as we keep producing top-notch results. Next sir.
Next sir, I would like to invite Mr. KVR sir. Please welcome sir. So he is also more than 25 years experience. He knows how to deal the organic chemistry in simplified manner, not only organic and physical also. He knows how to deal the reaction mechanisms in a simplified manner, and GOC, general organic chemistry also. And also, so groups also, trends how, see, he will treat the groups in a simplified manner. So that's why inorganic also very easy for the students.
So Remat Canizaro and aldol condensation, so everything sir will get condensed in your brain. Thank you so much sir for being an amazing teacher, for transferring so much of knowledge to kids, and keep doing the same, and keep building the future generations. I would like to call Anirudh Mehta sir. Anirudh sir worked in top-notch organizations and have been a part of Sri Chaitanya organization since almost 4 years, and have been a mentor of top digits or top single digit rankers across India since many years, and again badminton player, a great singer, and an amazing musician and whatnot. And sir, I'm sure that your presence will motivate the kids a lot too in this year as well as coming years. I would like to call Amit Bharadwaj sir.
Seems to be simple person, but his subject will be blast
Yeah.
in 3 parts: physics, physical and organic, and inorganic also.
Yeah, he is simple to complex. He make the complex compounds of coordination compound so easy and so simple, because he is a very simple man with amazing love and affection for students, and almost having an experience of 14 to 15 years, have been a top-notch mentor for single digit ranker. And most importantly, sir से एक बहुत ही important चीज मैं आपको बोलूंगा, he never said no if we call him at 6 in the morning or 10 in the night. I never heard a no. Whether he took 7 classes and I asked, sir, मुझे आपसे और एक class चाहिए, he never said no. And then I asked one day out of curiosity, sir, why this? He said, sir, this is what is my love for the organization and my love for the students. So I always have that greatest respect inside me for the amazing patriotism you have for the organization as well as for the students. And I would like to call now Sukant sir, almost a father material for most of the kids. Students call him a father material, an amazing chemistry teacher and fantastic mentor, a very positive human being, and have been a part of Sri Chaitanya since almost 25 years, and have been giving lot of knowledge to kids, and very important part of Sri Chaitanya Gosala. Thank you so much sir for being a part, and I'm very sure your presence will also help most of the kids for the coming years also. And now I would like to call Manoj sir, Manoj Verma sir. Sir is an amazing person again. Simple, you always see him with that simple smile. You say anything, you just see that simple smile. But when it comes to ranks, he produced All India rank 1. Remember this. So simplicity is always, humbleness and simplicity always is the bestest of the things that help to, groom the kids and he is again one of those members whom we always look up to and students always look up to. Thank you so much, sir, for being a part of Sri Chaitanya Gosala. Now I'd like to call BSR sir. BSR sir, again a very humble, simple, a very unique teacher whom students really love a lot, and he has been a part of Sri Chaitanya organization since a decade of time. Thank you so much, sir, for being a part of Sri Chaitanya and educating kids. Sir, please.
Now I would like to invite Mr. Ram Siddheswar Rao. So he did MSc from Central University, Hyderabad. So he is a very nice person. Almost he has more than 20 years experience, and also he will deal the all three parts in chemistry, physical and organic, inorganic, in simplified manner. His notes is enough, and also his tips is enough, and also he is hard worker. He will give the most of the time for the students only.
Yeah. Next, Prabhakar sir, amazing teacher, 24 years of experience and blend of simplicity, knowledge, as well as I know the patience of him is fantastic. Whenever we see him in the study hour session, I have never seen him sitting empty, occupied with so many students, and lot of passion and lot of enthusiasm, and never wasting a single minute of time that he has to render for the students. He always is there. Thank you so much, sir. Next, Chandrasekhar sir. Again, sir have 20 plus years of association in shaping the students into doctors and amazing teachers, and a top-notch mentor in single-digit, double-digit rankers, and also been a mentor in producing many 180s out of 180 in chemistry since past many years. And I'm very sure Sri Chaitanya is blessed to have you, sir, as an esteemed chemistry teacher here. And next, Rambabu sir. Sir, please, whenever we see Rambabu sir, we always feel so happy, so calm. He is just like MS Dhoni. We students call him MS Dhoni of Gosala, because calm, composed, but on the target. So he always asks the students to be on goal, and he always is goal oriented and made the students to be goal oriented. And he has been a mentor since almost plus 20 years, 2 decades of time. He has been mentoring top notch students and sending them to Zipper and AIMS, top notch AIMS in India. And if you go to AIMS Bhubaneswar, AIMS Delhi, or any part of any top notch AIMS, you can find one student at least who have learned chemistry from him. And thank you so much, sir, for being a top notch members of this team. And now I would like to also introduce Shashidhar Garu, also a chemistry teacher come dean, and have been having a 2 decade of experience in shaping kids. And here I have Ramesh Garu also, who is also a chemistry member as well as dean. And we have Mallikarjun sir with us, who is also a chemistry teacher as well as dean. We have Hari Krishna Garu, who is again a chemistry teacher come dean. And we have Durga madam, Kanak Durga ma'am, who is also a chemistry teacher come dean. We have Suresh sir, who is also a chemistry faculty come executive dean. What it is.
Generally,
amazing. See, you might have seen, we have amazing botany and zoology team, but when it comes to physics and chemistry team, the space is not sufficient. These many number of team members are here in Gosala to shape the students into future doctors, because we know how important physics and chemistry is, how important to have many members, because we always keep the ratio to 30:1 teacher. And that number, it is not just that we claim, this is what it is seen here. The number says it. It is not just that we talk. The numbers standing on the dais proves that this is fact, that we have such an amazing blend of members. I would like to start from sir. Please, yes, one important intake for NEET 2025, sir, please.
I don't know, good morning or good afternoon, whatever it may be. Very nice talking to you. All the best, first of all. God bless you. Take care about your health. And one very important thing is, when you are writing the exam, be very particular about reading the question completely. And don't attempt a question paper with a preoccupied mind. Probably this question would have been appeared in your earlier weekend exams, but
the question wording may not be the same. So be very particular while reading the question and try to see all the 4 options, then only come to a conclusion. And while take care while bubbling also, don't jump into conclusions, and you should be very particular about the wording involved in the question, whether the question is related to true statement or false statement or something like that, or in the assertion reason the order will be something different. So be very careful, be cool and very normal, and wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So good morning, and I'll add only one point to the VRK sir. While writing the chemistry exam, particularly in the organic chemistry, do the rough work before answering the question. So that's very important. So without doing the rough work, if you answer that organic chemistry, you may get a wrong answer. Please avoid that one. You do the rough work and get the right answer. So it's all the best. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. All other teachers have given very good advices. I hope you will follow all of them. And I would like to add one important point. So when you write the exam, the initial time, the initial 20 to 25 minutes is very crucial. If your mind is panicked or if you are in disturbed mode, then that will affect the rest of the exam. So in the initial 20 to 25 minutes, choose the questions which you can do, which you are confident. Don't attempt the confusing questions or difficult questions at that point. So that mode of mind will help in solving the other questions. That feel good, a good feeling what you get in the initial time will help a lot. And one more thing, when you go to the examination center, don't talk with others much. Generally what happens, to avoid the fear or this thing, people try to talk with others to minimize this stress. But the problem is, when you talk with others, some other person might say, one of your friend might say, paper may be difficult, or have you read this concept, have you read that concept. These kind of things unnecessarily create fear inside you, which will affect the exam. So don't talk much, okay, unless it is necessary, talk. Otherwise keep calm and attempt the exam well. All the best.
Sir.
Good morning, buddies. So andar bagunnara. So let me speak in Telugu and English also, because many of them are from Telugu students. First of all, NEET is exam of accuracy. And NEET is exam for average students. It is not for the toppers. మొదటి నుంచి నేను చెప్పేది అదే, మీరు యాక్యురేట్గా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. నెగిటివ్స్ అనేవి పోకూడదు. మీ అందరి కంప్లైంట్ అదే, సార్ నెగిటివ్స్ 100 మార్కులు పోతున్నాయి, 200 మార్క్స్ పోతున్నాయి. నెగిటివ్స్ రాకూడదంటే మీరు అందరూ చెప్పిందే మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, 4 ఆప్షన్స్ సరిగ్గా చదవాలి. ముందు క్వశ్చన్ సరిగ్గా చదవాలి, ఆ తర్వాత 4 ఆప్షన్స్. ఫస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు రీడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ప్రాపర్లీ అండ్ ద 4 ఆప్షన్స్. అందరూ అడిగే స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలామంది అడుగుతున్నారు, సార్ నీట్ టఫ్ అవ్వచ్చా, చాయిస్ తీసేశారు, ఏదైనా టఫ్గా చేస్తారా? జేఈ మెయిన్సే టఫ్గా చేయలేదు మొన్న పెట్టిన ఎగ్జామ్. ఎన్టీఏ బోర్డే జేఈ మెయిన్స్ కూడా కండక్ట్ చేస్తుంది కదా, వాళ్ళేం ప్యాటర్న్ సడన్గా టఫ్గా ఏం చేయలేదు. సో ఇప్పుడు వచ్చే ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా చాలా ఈజీగానే ఉంటుంది. నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ విల్ బీ ఈజియెస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్, బికాస్ దట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ ఇన్క్లూసివ్ గ్రోత్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్. ఎక్కడో మూలలో ఉన్నటువంటి స్టూడెంట్, యావరేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ కూడా కనీసం అటెంప్ట్ చేయగలిగే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఇంత కోచింగ్ తీసుకొని, ఎంత ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెట్టి, ఇన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాసి, థౌజండ్స్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రాసి, మీరు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ని చూసి భయపడకూడదు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ పేపర్ ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, అసలు మీరు ఆల్రెడీ అటెంప్ట్ చేసిన క్వశ్చన్సే వస్తాయి, మేము చెప్పిన క్వశ్చన్సే వస్తాయి. ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఓపెన్ బుక్, ఐ కెన్ సే దాట్. సో అందువల్ల మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా రాయండి, ఎగ్జామ్ ఈజీగానే ఉంటుంది. ఎర్రర్స్ అవాయిడ్ చేయండి, చేస్తే చాలు మీకు ఖచ్చితంగా సక్సెస్ వస్తుంది. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning to everyone. First of all, in coming 2 days preparation, mainly focus on organic conversion type questions as well as list of the reagents like oxidizing agents and reducing agents. And one more thing is, in our grand test papers, most of the students mainly statement type questions. If 2 statements are given, one is correct, another one is wrong. In that type of questions, many students make wrong. Once revise the statement of type questions which are given in our papers. Okay, all the best. Thank you.
Good morning, students. I am Sukant, chemistry faculty. And first of all, in these 3 days, you have to remember, you have to revise atomic structure, formulas in atomic structure, radius, energy, velocity, because they are very sensitive and it creates so many errors. So you have to revise the formulas in atomic structure and also the formulas in thermodynamics, solutions also. And moreover, you have to revise inorganic chemistry, general properties in P block and also in D block, and also general properties in organic chemistry. And one more thing is, in the examination hall, don't lose your confidence. Whenever the tough questions are coming, don't lose your confidence. You have to read every line and underline the important points in the question. Are they asking correct statements or incorrect statements? So that is very important. And whenever easy questions are coming, and you have to select carefully the options which is correct. And thank you very much. All the best.
Good morning, students. I would just like to add by one simple line that for next 3 days before your exam, you be like helium, okay? Very stable, very inert. Don't let any extra knowledge or negative thoughts enter to your brain. Don't let any of your knowledge go out. Just like helium has the highest, ionization enthalpy and very high, highly positive electron gain enthalpy. And during your exam, you become a hydrogen, very light, unstoppable, and ready to ignite. And after your exam, become potassium, ready to explode with happiness and success. All the best. Take care.
Okay, good morning, students. For last these 2 or 3 days, my suggestion is to be revise inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry, it's a lot of facts are there, so it is better to revise in last 3 days, so you can carry in your mind for 2 or 3 days. Then in test in the paper, I think 40 to 43 question in the chemistry will be very easy. Only 2 or 3 question will be lengthy or difficult. So my suggestion is to be solve this question at the last. First of all, you deal with all the simple question, whether it is in physics, chemistry or botany and zoology. All the best. Thank you very much.
Good morning, students. First, all of you go to the exam very cool and be calm. And while reading the question, first very careful. And with read the question careful and underline the words, keywords like a correct, incorrect one. And another one is the love the question first of all. Definitely you got the success. All the very best. Thank you.
Well, students, good morning, everybody. I would like to remind only one thing that you are going to have exam on 4th noon, which is like our grand test. Because every year we have the feedback of students that that question came from this grand test so and so. With the dates, the students are telling. So I wish and I hope that you also will tell like that. All the best, right?
So next.
Hello students, good morning to all. Myself Chandrasekhar. I would like to give a suggestion for you. Give your 3 hours precious time for every subject in 3 hours. Please share your time for 3 subjects. Thank you.
Good morning, dear students, and especially chemistry, out of physical, inorganic and organic, students usually having thought of how many physical chemistry numericals comes, and those many speculations students will be having. So all the physical chemistry related numericals will be very easy and formula substitution based questions only. Apart from that, everything is going to be very easy. Be cool and calm, be emotional, and don't waste your time for unnecessary questions. Divide the time properly. All the very best. Thank you.
Yes, good morning everyone. This is Amit Bhardwaj. And just one line, one thing I want to add here. Remember, confidence is the key of success. If you are confident enough, nothing can stop you in this world, right? So go with confidence, believe in yourself, and crack it. Best of luck.
So, thank you so much the chemistry team. It is not end. I wanted to have a very important part now because chemistry for the last at least 3 days, inorganic chemistry, factual information, revise once, and organic chemistry, reagents, catalysts, and special conditions, named reactions, read once, sir, am I right? Please read once and revise them once. And physical chemistry, there are certain factual informations in physical chemistries, somewhere like pK values are there, try to read, recollect and remember them once, as well as revise the formulas. That's all. Thank you so much to the whole chemistry team for being here to encourage our kids. And now, so please, sir, please. I would like to introduce one of the major pillar of Sri Chaitanya Gosala, because it is the administrators. Teachers of us stay here for 8 to 9 hours, whereas our administrators are here 365 days. We celebrate our Ugadi here with the kids, our Diwali with the kids, our New Year with the kids, 365 days. We keep working for the kids. We come in the morning at 6:30, 7, and we work till almost 11 o'clock in the night. The first people to come and the last people to go are the administrators. And here I would also like to call Suresh sir and Chinmay Srinivas garu, the executive AGM of Gosala zone. Is one of the persons, who is almost a father for every child here. Chinmay garu is one of the reasons, why every child is very happy outside the classroom. He always tells me, sir, where are you? I'm in his cab. I'm in my cabin. And I tell you where his cabin is, in front of the reception. He sits in a chair. Though he have a very amazingly built cabin, he never sits there. He stays in that, in front of the reception. He's just, sits with a table. And many students come after the classes. They keep sharing their problems. He keep listening. One day I was sitting for 2 hours with him. The surprising thing is, in the 2 hours, I have seen 70-80 kids coming to him. He remember everybody's name, everybody's problem. He addressed them and address individually, independent one with the necessary thing. This is what is the blend of Sri Chaitanya Gosala. We have Shashidhar garu, we have Ramesh garu, we have Durga ma'am, we have Mallikarjun garu, Hari Krishna sir, and we have amazing Executive Dean of Sri Chaitanya, Suresh garu, and I am also with you. And we also have KSR garu, who is right now not here. Sir is with the students right now. And I want, each one of them to give at least one important suggestion for you. Let's start with our, Suresh garu.
Thank you. Thank you, Gandhi garu. Good morning, my dear children. I have been long association with Sri Chaitanya, and I am very lucky to work with these guys. First of all, myself, Suresh, and the Department of Chemistry. But we have not only good teachers, but we have a great teachers in Sri Chaitanya Princess. Good teacher just transfer the knowledge, just teaches the knowledge from the books. But a great teacher upgrades geeks and goals of the students by knowing him from inside out. Vijayawada, it's called as a educational hub, but Sri Chaitanya, it's called as a medical hub. That's why Sri Chaitanya, particularly in Vijayawada, it's called as a medical hub. Sri Chaitanyalo main motive entante, when the students enter into the premises of the Sri Chaitanya, they never find out what was required by the end of the system, by the end of the program. That is the main motive. మోరోవర్ ఇక్కడ 2 రకాల విద్య అవసరం అండి. శ్రీ చైతన్యలో జాయిన్ అయిన ప్రతి విద్యార్థి 2 రకాల విద్యను నేర్చుకుంటూ ఉంటాడు. ఒకటి సమాజంలో ఎలా జీవించాలో నేర్పే విద్య, రెండవది జీవనోపాధిని కల్పించుకునే విద్య. ఈ రెండిటిని ఖచ్చితంగా నేర్చుకొని మాత్రమే బయటికి వెళ్తాడు. ఇది నో డౌట్ ఎట్ ఆల్. ఇక్కడ మీరు గమనిస్తే వెన్ యూ గో టు ఎనీ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఆర్ మెడికల్ కాలేజ్, more than 85% of the students only from Sri Chaitanya. ఇది మేము సగర్వంగా చెప్పుకోగలమండి. అంత స్టాండర్డ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్లో ఉండేటువంటి ఏ స్టూడెంట్ అయినా వాళ్ళ యొక్క భవిష్యత్తుని అద్భుతంగా నిర్మించుకోవచ్చు. ప్రపంచాన్ని మార్చగలిగే ఒక శక్తివంతమైన ఆయుధం ఉంది అంటే అది విద్య మాత్రమే, చదువు మాత్రమే. చదువు అంటే నేర్చుకోవటం కాదు, భవిష్యత్తుని నిర్మించుకోవడం. అలాంటి ఎన్నో లక్షల మంది ఇంజనీర్లను, డాక్టర్లను సమాజానికి వాళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తును నిర్మించి సమాజం యొక్క పురోభివృద్ధిలో కారణమైనటువంటి శ్రీ చైతన్య లెజెండరీ పర్సనాలిటీస్, ద గ్రేట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ అందరికీ మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్, గుడ్ లక్ సార్. అదేవిధంగా విద్యార్థులందరికీ ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద మేనేజ్మెంట్ once again I wish you all the best, good luck for your bright future. Thank you.
Good morning students, all the best for NEET aspirants. And Sri Chaitanya Gosala ante Dr. B.S. Rao గారి కళల ప్రాంగణం. ఆయన ఆశయాలైనటువంటి రిజల్ట్స్తో పాటు పిల్లల్ని సక్రమమైన పద్ధతిలో తీర్చిదిద్దడం కోసం, అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ చక్కటి నిశ్శబ్దంతో కూడిన, చిరునవ్వుతో కూడిన, సేవాభావంతో కూడిన సిబ్బంది మీ అందరికీ సేవ చేయడానికి నిరంతరం మీకోసం ఎదురు చూస్తుంటామని తెలియజేసుకుంటూ వన్స్ అగైన్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ టు ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నీట్ 2025 రాయబోయే స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ కూడా ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ అండి. ఇప్పటిదాకా మనం చూసాం మన టీం మెంబర్స్ ఎంతమంది బాటనీ, జువాలజీ, ఫిజిక్స్, కెమిస్ట్రీ అందరినీ మీకు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసాం. దాంతోపాటు ఇంకా కొంతమంది పిల్లలతో ఎంగేజ్ అయి ఉండటం, కొన్ని ముఖ్యమైన క్లాసెస్ ఉండటంతో వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ రాలేకపోయారు. ఇక్కడ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సింది, ఇంతమందిని కలిసి మీకోసం వర్క్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్గా సక్సెస్ రాకుండా ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సో రేపు రాబోయే నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ 4వ తారీఖు రాసే ఎగ్జామ్లో సింగిల్ డిజిట్ ర్యాంక్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తూ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి మీ ముందుకు వస్తాం తొందరలోనే. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
అందరికీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అండి. పర్సనల్గా నాకు ఫౌండర్ అయినటువంటి చైర్మన్ గారు డాక్టర్ బిఎస్ రావు గారి గురించి, అంటే ఆయన సార్తో కలిసి పనిచేసే అవకాశం నాకు చాలా కలిగింది. అలాగనే అకాడమిక్ డైరెక్టర్ సుష్మా మేడం గారు కానీ, ఆ లెగసీని కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్న సుష్మా మేడం గారు కానీ, వాళ్ళిద్దరి ఆలోచనలు ఎప్పుడు నిరంతరం, ప్రతి నిమిషం, ప్రతిరోజు కేవలం శ్రీ చైతన్య ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో ఎవరైతే స్టూడెంట్స్ వచ్చారో వాళ్ళు వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఎలా వచ్చారో, వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు మాత్రం డెఫినెట్గా ఏ ఆశయాలతో వచ్చారో ఆ ఆశయాలను సాధించుకొని ఒక వండర్ఫుల్ పర్సన్గా సొసైటీలోకి వెళ్ళాలనేదే వాళ్ళిద్దరి యొక్క ఆలోచనలు. ఆ ఆలోచనకు అనుగుణంగానే మేము వెళ్తూ ఉంటాం. బేసికల్గా మేము గమనించింది, అంటే మా అసోసియేషన్ సార్తో కానీ మేడంతో కానీ మా అసోసియేషన్ మేము గమనించింది ఏంటంటే, డెఫినెట్గా ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ కూడా ప్రతిరోజు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉండాలి, వెల్ డిసిప్లిన్డ్గా ఉండాలి, అలాగనే నాలెడ్జ్ అనేది ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతూ ఉండాలి. డెఫినెట్గా ఇప్పుడు బయట మార్కెట్లో చాలా బుక్స్ ఉంటాయండి, వాటి నుంచి ఏమి నాలెడ్జ్ రాదండి. మనం తీసుకునే లెక్చరర్ ఇండియాలో అక్రాస్ ద ఇండియా తీసుకునే లెక్చరర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉండాలి, నాలెడ్జ్ని బాగా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయాలి. ఒక క్లాస్లో ఒక స్టూడెంట్ కూర్చున్నాడు అంటే, టీచర్ చెప్తున్నారంటే అసలుకి ఒక రకమైన ట్రాన్స్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి, ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. అలాంటి లెక్చర్స్నే తీసుకోవాలని మా చైర్మన్ గారైనా అలాగనే సుష్మా మేడం గారు అయినా మాకు చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే, అలాంటి లెక్చర్స్ ఉండాలి. అలాంటి లెక్చర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సబ్జెక్ట్ చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది, వాళ్ళ మీద స్ట్రెస్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ జీరో అయిపోతుంది. అంటే ప్రతిరోజు వాళ్ళల్లో స్ట్రెస్ లెవెల్ తగ్గుతూ ఉండాలి టీచింగ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో. అలాగనే మేము అకాడమిక్ కరికులంలో డెఫినెట్గా క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ ఇన్నోవేటివ్గా, అంటే ఎలా అంటే ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఈ రోజు గోసాల్లో ఒక స్టూడెంట్ చదువుతున్నాడంటే ఇంతమంది లెక్చర్స్ చూశారు, డిపార్ట్మెంట్కి 18 మెంబర్స్ని చూశారు ఆల్మోస్ట్. ఇక్కడ మేము చూపించింది అందరం మాట్లాడింది ఇందులో అక్రాస్ ద కంట్రీ ఉన్నారు, అందరూ IITs ఉన్నారు, NITs ఉన్నారు, అలాగనే ఎంటెక్, బీటెక్, తర్వాత బయోటెక్ చేసిన లెక్చర్స్ ఉన్నారు బయాలజీలో కూడా. ఇలాంటి లెక్చర్స్ ఉన్నప్పటికి కూడా వీళ్ళు టీచ్ చేస్తున్నప్పటికి కూడా క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ అనేది డిఫరెంట్ ఏరియాస్ నుంచి, అంటే మీకు ఒకసారి జైపూర్ నుంచి రావచ్చు, ఒకసారి సిక్కర్ నుంచి రావచ్చు, ఒకసారి ఢిల్లీ నుంచి రావచ్చు, బెంగళూరు నుంచి రావచ్చు, మెడ్రాస్ నుంచి రావచ్చు, ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ నుంచి మీకు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ వస్తాయి కాబట్టి, వాళ్ళ బ్రెయిన్లోంచి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ వస్తాయి కాబట్టి డెఫినెట్గా ఆ క్వశ్చన్ రీడ్ చేసే విధానంలో కానీ, తర్వాత వీళ్ళు నేర్చుకున్న సబ్జెక్ట్ కానీ రెండు సింక్రనైజ్ చేసుకుంటే ఇంకెక్కడ మనం బ్యాక్ లేకున్నా అనేది ఆ స్టూడెంట్స్కి తెలుస్తుంది. అలాగనే మా దగ్గర ఉన్న లెక్చర్స్ అంతా ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్, వీళ్ళు కూడా డిఫరెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ వస్తాయి కాబట్టి ఆ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ని మిగతా లెక్చర్స్ ఎలా ఇవ్వచ్చు అనే దాని మీద చెప్తారు కాబట్టి అది చాలా చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అండి. అది ఓన్లీ శ్రీ చైతన్య ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో జరుగుతుంది, ఇంకెక్కడ జరగదండి. ఎందుకంటే మిగతా మీరు సింగిల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ ఎక్కడైనా చూడండి, అదే లెక్చరర్ చెప్తారు, అదే క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఇస్తారు, దానివల్ల నేషనల్ వైడ్ ఎక్స్పోజర్ ఉండదండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ శ్రీ చైతన్య ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఏంటంటే ఒక క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ సపోజ్ ఇలా గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్ జరుగుతుంది అనుకోండి, ఈ గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్ జరుగుతుందంటే మేము ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఈ ఫైనల్ రివిజన్లో 17 గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్లు పెట్టామండి. అంటే 17 గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్లు నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ రాసే ముందల వరకు కూడా ఆల్మోస్ట్ May 2 వరకు కూడా గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్ ఉంది, May 3 కూడా పెడుతున్నాం ఉన్నోళ్ళకి, ఇక్కడ క్యాంపస్లో ఈ సెంటర్స్లో ఉన్న విజయవాడలో ఉన్నోళ్ళకి. అంటే ఈ 17 గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్లన్నీ కూడా డిఫరెంట్ సెంటర్స్ నుంచి మా శ్రీ చైతన్య ఆర్గనైజేషన్ నుంచి ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ ఇక్కడే ఇంతమంది లెక్చర్స్ చూశారు. ఇక ఇండియా వైడ్గా ఎంతమంది లెక్చర్స్ ఉంటారనేది ఇక మేము చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, ఇంత టాప్ మోస్ట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఉంటారు. ఇదంతా కూడా బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అండి. మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఆలోచనలు అంత స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టే ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక గాంధీ గారు చెప్పారండి, అంటే మేము 24/7 ఇక్కడ ఉంటామంటే దానికి కారణం ఏంటంటే డెఫినెట్గా మేమంతా వాళ్ళ ఫాలోవర్స్ కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు ఏ విధంగా వాళ్ళ ఆలోచనలు ఉన్నాయి, ఏ విధంగా చైర్మన్ గారు కానీ అకాడమిక్ డైరెక్టర్ కానీ ఆలోచనలు ఉన్నాయి, అలాగనే వీళ్ళ ఆలోచనలు తగ్గట్టుగా వాళ్ళు ఏ విధంగా అయితే ప్రతిరోజు కష్టపడతారో మేము కూడా అదే విధంగా కష్టపడటానికి అలా అంటే ఎలా అవుతుందంటే ఒక ట్రావెలింగ్లో ఒకరితో పనిచేస్తూ ఉంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా అడాప్షన్ జరుగుతుందంటే ఆ ఆలోచనలు అనేవి మాలో కూడా స్టిమ్యులేట్ అవుతాయి. కాబట్టి ఆ స్టిమ్యులేట్ అయినాయి కాబట్టే మేము ఇంత అవర్స్ టుగెదర్ ఇక్కడ ఉండగలుగుతున్నాం. ఏ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినా ఏమొచ్చినా కూడా అటెండ్ చేయగలుగుతున్నాము. ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినా గోసాల్లో మీకు ఏ చిన్న ఇష్యూ వచ్చినా, ఏ హెల్త్ ఇష్యూ వచ్చినా కూడా ఇమీడియట్గా మేము అది చాలా రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీగా తీసుకుంటాము. ఎన్ని చేయగలుగుతున్నామంటే మాకు వాళ్ళ నుంచి వచ్చినవే, మా అకాడమిక్ డైరెక్టర్స్ కానీ అలాగనే మా చైర్మన్ బిఎస్ రావు గారి నుంచి నేర్చుకున్న లక్షణాలు మావవి కాబట్టి అవి ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టే ఇప్పుడే కాదు శ్రీ చైతన్య ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అనేది ఫర్ ఎవర్ ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలైనా శ్రీ చైతన్య ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఇలా ఎదుగుతూనే ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే దీని యొక్క లక్షణాలున్న వ్యక్తులు ఆలోచనలే, ఆ ఆలోచనల పరంపరే మమ్మల్ని నడుపుతా ఉంది, ఆ ఆలోచనలే మమ్మల్ని ఒక పీక్ తీసుకెళ్తా ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి అలాంటి లెక్చర్స్ వాళ్ళకు అనుగుణంగా వాళ్ళు ఏ భావాలతో అయితే పెట్టారో ఒకటే చెప్తారండి, ప్రతిరోజు స్టూడెంట్ ఎలా ఉండాలి అంటే డెఫినెట్గా ఎప్పుడైతే నాలెడ్జ్ వస్తూ ఉంటుందో స్ట్రెస్ తగ్గుతూ ఉంటుంది, అప్పుడు వాళ్ళు హ్యాపీగా ఉంటారు, మనకు రిజల్ట్స్ బాగా వస్తాయి, వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీస్ హ్యాపీగా ఉంటారు, అందరూ హ్యాపీగా ఉంటారు అనేది వాళ్ళ ఇంటెన్షన్. కాబట్టి అదే మేము క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. కాబట్టి అందరికీ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ అండి. డెఫినెట్గా ఎవరైతే మీ పిల్లలు ఎవరైతే నీట్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు రాయబోతున్నారో వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా మా బెస్ట్ విషెస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ టు వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.
Good morning to my dear students. Myself is Kanakadurga. So I want to say some points. We are under a safety roof, that is Sri Chaitanya. We all are so blessed because we are having the very best wonderful faculty, well experienced faculty here, and we know that they are from different places of India and they gave their best to our students. And all they transferred their knowledge to our students. So that work is done. We are ready to give that result. So only one thing I want to say you, be calm, trust yourselves. These 2 days are very crucial 2 days. So be calm, everything you are going to recollect in your exam. And all the best to one and all. Let us hope, let us wish God will shower all his blessings on all Chaitanya students, those who are going to attend the NEET exam. Lastly, I want to say one thing. Gosala is the right place for BIPC because not only for students, even for faculty administrators also, because this is the right place. What we are going to do, that we can give here Actually, my hometown is Hyderabad. Because of that passion, I came here and I am working here. So I am so blessed being a part in this Gosala branch. So all of you, once again I am telling all the best. Be ready. Let us crack the result and let us rewrite the result. Thank you.
శుభోదయం అండి. మీరు ఆల్మోస్ట్ మే 4th హార్డ్లీ 4 days ఉంది మనకి ఎగ్జామ్ రాయడానికి. డెఫినెట్గా ప్రతి ఒక్క ఫ్యాకల్టీ కానీ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటివ్ కానీ చాలా సలహాలు ఇచ్చారండి. దీంట్లో ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్ యాడ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఒక స్టూడెంట్ అనేవాడు కంపల్సరీ అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అనేవి బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసేప్పుడు మాత్రమే కంపల్సరీగా సీట్ క్రాక్ చేస్తారు. సో దాన్ని చేయాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ 3-4 days కొంచెం స్ట్రెస్ అనేది చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఆ స్ట్రెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఎవరైతే చేయగలుగుతారో డెఫినెట్గా దే విల్ బి ఎట్ టాప్ పొజిషన్ ఆర్ దే విల్ రీచ్ దేర్ గోల్. ఆ స్ట్రెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ మనం ఎలా ఓవర్కమ్ చేయాలంటే, సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు మీ ఇంట్లో పేరెంట్స్ కావచ్చు, గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ కావచ్చు, మీ బ్రదర్స్ కావచ్చు, సిస్టర్ ఎవరైనా అనుకోండి, ఎవరైతే నీకు స్ట్రెస్ని కనుక తగ్గించగలుగుతారో వాళ్ళతో కొంచెం టైం స్పెండ్ చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2 to 3 years మీరు చాలా బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారు. సో ప్రిపేర్ అయిన దాన్ని ప్రాపర్గా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయాలంటే స్ట్రెస్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ ద మినిమం లెవెల్. సో అప్పుడే డెఫినెట్గా మనం క్రాక్ చేయగలుగుతాం. కాబట్టి ఎవరైతే నీకు స్ట్రెస్ లెవెల్ తగ్గించగలుగుతారో వాళ్ళతో కొంచెం టైం స్పెండ్ చేసినట్లయితే డెఫినెట్గా మీకు ఆ స్ట్రెస్ లెవెల్ తగ్గి మీరు డెఫినెట్గా ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్ని చాలా బాగా రాస్తారని చెప్పి ఆశిస్తూ మీ అందరికీ కూడా ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ చెప్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning, students. Myself Mallikarjun, part of chemistry department and dean for Gosala. చాలా మంది చాలా సలహాలు ఇచ్చారండి. బీయింగ్ ఏ కెమిస్ట్రీ లెక్చరర్, కెమిస్ట్రీ గురించి మీ అందరికీ బాగా తెలుసు కాబట్టి రిమెంబర్ ద valency of carbon. Valency of carbon is 4. So choose C, which is having valency of 4 and which is containing the NEET exam. To crack the NEET exam, you have to remember the 4 policies which will be depending on carbon, like that is the symbol of carbon is C. So I wanted to say you be calm, cool, confident and be accurate in choosing. So remember all the 4 C's: calm, cool, choosing and confident. So I hope all of you have done the entire preparation. The only thing what you have to do is enjoy 3 hours of time. The 3 hours of time which you are spending on 4th May in between 2 and 5, please enjoy the time as you have prepared very well, and as many lecturers told, all the questions will be appearing in the exam which were appeared in your weekend exam, unit test, module test, part test or grand test. Whatever the test we have conducted here, almost all the 180 questions in your NEET 2025 will be coming from the test what we have conducted. So be very confident, be very calm, cool and choose the correct properly. And one more thing what I wanted to convey regarding the Sri Chaitanya organization is that, as Suresh sir already told, a good teacher teaches, better teacher shares the knowledge and best teacher inspires. We in Sri Chaitanya Gosala have got a team which will be inspiring the students. So we have the best team here which will all influence and which will all inspire you to crack your NEET. Once again, I would like to say all the very best for your coming NEET exam. Thank you.
So guys, finally I'll just conclude it. This is Dr. Gandhi. I am an administrator. I'm working here and I have a very simple fundamental to work. I want to see the happiness of the child, because our GMs are always tell us, be very happy and keep the children very happy. When these 2 things are there, you will be successful and the kids will be successful. A very simple formula. We follow it because we learn the life as well as positive aspects of life from him, and we follow it. We learn the academic discipline from Sushma ma'am. We follow it and we carry the dream of this amazing 2 doctors, Dr. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai ma'am and Dr. B.S. Rao garu. They themselves are doctors and they have a big dream of shaping the future doctors with values, ethics, with proper discipline. They always say, produce good citizens to the society, which is very important, and we work with the same motive. And thank you so much, everybody. Remember, May 4th is not another day. It is just like May 3rd, May 2nd. It is no big deal. You write a grand test today afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, May 4th you are writing another grand test. Do not do anything new. Just like, too much of sleep, this. Keep things very normal. Your biological clock is adjusted since 1 year to one mechanism. Follow it. If you start thinking that it is a big day, then these exams and that exam becomes a different exam. No, because I, being a sportsman, I always believe that what we practice and what we play should never have any difference. This is just the replica of the same thing. So do not think that NEET exam is something different that you are going to take on 4th of May. It is just another grand test. As is Ramesh Garu said, 17 grand test. It is the 18th grand test. On May 4th, 2 to 5, you are writing the 18th grand test outside, Sri Chaitanya Gosala campus. I wish all the students of Sri Chaitanya as well as all the NEET aspirants across India, wherever you studied, to whatsoever organization you belong to, we wish all the very best to you and to the dreams of you and your parents. We wish that God showers all the blessings on you. Thank you so much. And Suresh Garu.
Okay, guys, you know very well Sri Chaitanya is a proven destination for future medicals. Once again, I wish you all the best. Good luck for your bright future. Thank you.
Thank you.